A lot of time people do ask me that what is my favorite design element. So I would just like to say, I cannot say anything as favorite because we are true professionals. So having our favorites, I think, is secondary with regards to your client's requirement. So in case if your client is wanting something, that has to be, I cannot say that has to be your favorite, but that has to be the priority. So a lot of my viewers keep on asking me this, so I would just like to say them a small thing. Yes, my personal favorites are, I do like contemporary designing style and rustic style, but for me, what is favorite at that particular point is what my client is wanting. So just a small thing which I would like to introduce to all you guys, ki don't go much on favoritism, focus much on professionalism. That is the message of the day. Thank you.